Only 5 seconds. That's all it took. Because the website did not load instantly, the customer left. And the store owner just lost a guaranteed sale. Amazon released a report stating that for every 1 second of delay in your page load time, sales drop by 10%. In the US, thousands of Shopify store owners are suffering from this exact problem. Their site looks beautiful, but they are heavy. They are desperate for a developer who can fix this. Today, I am going to teach you how to take a slow, sluggish website and make it load like a rocket without writing a single line of code. Clients are paying $100 to $200 for this simple fix. Step 1. First, we need to diagnose the patient. How sync the website? We will use Google official tool, PageSpeed Insights. Go to the website, paste your client URL, check analyze. Google will give you a score. Let's say the score is 30 by 100. That's mean red. This is critical. Take a screenshot of this. This is your leverage. When the client sees the red score, they panic. Your goal is to turn this red score into green, 80 plus. Step 2. The number 1 for a solo website is oversized image. Store owners take a photos with high-end camera and upload 5 MB file directly. This kills the loading speed. The solution manual way. Download the image and run them through TinyPNG.com. It reduces the file size by 70% without losing quality. Automatic way, go to the Shop App Store. Install app like Crush.pic or Avada SEO Image Optimizer. These apps are automatically compress every single image on the store in the background. Just doing the on step will double the speed. The second trick is called lazy loading. Normally, when you open a site, the browser tries to load every single image at once. That causes a traffic jam. Lazy loading tells the browser only load the images that are currently on the screen. How do you do it? Most modern Shopify themes have a checkbox in the theme settings that say enable lazy load. Just tick that box. If not, install a free app called Booster PageSpeed. One click and it's done. Now let's back to Google and analyze the site again. Look at this score jump from 30 to 85. Take a screenshot of this after result and send it your client. The entire process took maybe 1 hour. The market rate for this service $100 to $200. If you fixed just 2 sites in a day, do the math. In my next video, I will show you how to remove unused JavaScript from Shopify theme to make them even faster. If you don't want to miss the technical deep dive, subscribe now. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.